Hi, my name is Steven and welcome to the WooCommerce series. In this series, I'm going to show you how to add a shop page to your WordPress website. If you ever wanted to sell something on your website, I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. So what you're going to need for this video is a WordPress website. And if you don't have a WordPress website, you can go ahead and watch this video right here. This video is going to show you how to get your domain and hosting from SiteGround and install WordPress. And once you've done that, you can come back and log into your WordPress website. And then the first thing you need to do is to go to your dashboard. So if you already have a website that you want to add a shop page to, this is exactly how you can do it. You can see the website that we have right here have no shop page on it. So we're going to go ahead and install WooCommerce. So go to your dashboard and click on plugins and add new. And over here, we're going to search for WooCommerce. And this is the plugin that we need right here. You can see that it has over 5 million active installations. We're going to go ahead and click on install. Then we're going to activate the plugin. And once you install it, it's going to pop up this setup wizard right here. And you can go ahead and fill in your address or your business address. Okay, so as you can see that I filled in my address right here. So if you're setting up this store for a client, if this is for your client, you can go ahead and select I'm setting this up for a client. But I'm just doing this tutorial, so I'm going to leave this on take for now. So I'm going to click on continue. And then I'm going to click on continue here again. And here you can select the kind of product that you're trying to sell. If the type of product that you're trying to sell is not listed here, you can select order and then you can type it in here. Go ahead and select all that are applied. So I'm going to select fashion and electronics, for example, and then I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And here you will decide what kind of product you will be selling, whether it's a physical product, downloads, or any of these subscriptions here. So I'm going to go ahead and select physical product. I'm going to click on continue. And here you can go ahead and tell WooCommerce a little bit about your business. So how many products do you plan to display? You can go ahead and select that here. So I'm going to select 11 to 100. And then are you currently selling elsewhere? I'm going to select no. And then do you want to integrate with any of these? So I'm not going to cover any of this in this tutorial because this is not part of the WooCommerce. This is just a third-party plugin. If you want me to make the video to show you how to integrate this into your WooCommerce website, just let me know in the comment section below and then I will make that video. So for now, I'm going to say no to all of this. Then I'm going to click continue. And here is going to ask you to choose a theme. You can see that we already have the Astra theme, so I'm going to continue with my theme. If you want to change to any other theme, you can do that here, but I'm going to continue with my current theme. And here is going to ask you to install Jetpack for shipping and taxes. So I'm going to say no for now. We can set that up later. I'm going to say no thanks. And I'm going to close this. So if you go to pages right now, you can see that the cart page and the checkout page and the shop page will automatically be added to your pages after you install WooCommerce. And then we're going to get these WooCommerce options right here. And then if we go back to our website and refresh it, you can see that we still don't have the shop page right here on the menu. That's because we need to go and add it on your menu. So go back here and go to appearance, go to menu. And then we're going to select the shop page and then we're going to click on add to menu. And then I'm going to drag it to right here for the services. And then I'm going to save the menu. Now, if you go back and refresh your page, you can see that we have the shop page right here. So if I click on it, it's going to look like this because we don't have any products yet. Right, you can see that we do not have any products yet. So let's go back here and create our first product, which is going to be the simple product. So if you click on all products here, you can see that we do not have any product. It's going to ask you to start import. You can import a product or you can start creating a product. So I'm going to use this add new product option here so that it's going to be easier for you to track. So we're going to name this one simple product. So this is simple, you can see, and here you can give the description of the product if you want. So I'm going to generate some text here. Okay, so I'm going to take some text Then I'm going to use this as the product description, and I'm going to copy a little bit of this. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you can see this is where you're going to choose the type of product that you're creating. So for this first episode, we're going to be creating a simple product. Okay, so we're going to select the simple product here, and then here we're going to put the price. So you can go ahead and choose the price for your product here. Let's say this simple product is $9.99, and then you can go ahead and put a sale price if you want to do that. Let's say the sale price is $6.99. You're going to do that like this. Also, if you want to schedule the sale from a specific time to a specific time, you can go ahead and put the date here from the date and when you want the sale to end, and that is going to automatically default back to the regular price. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this for now. And then for inventory, you're going to go here and give your products SKU number. So if you have SKU number, for example, you can just say 001. And then if you want to manage the stock, you can enable this, and then you can say how many that you have in stock. Maybe you have 90. That way, after 90 orders, people will not be able to order this product again. And then if you want to allow back order, you can go ahead, click and allow, so that even after 90 product, people can still order, but they will know that is a back order. So I will just click do not allow back order. So after 90, and then low on stock threshold, so if you want to increase that to maybe 5 like this. Okay, so you have that there. So when it's low on stock, you know that your product is already low on stock. And then if you enable this, that means only somebody cannot buy more than one item. So if you want people to be able to buy like maybe 5 pieces or 4 pieces of your simple product, you need to leave this unchecked. If you check this, they can only buy one item at a time. And then for the shipping, we don't have any shipping class yet, so this is something that I'm going to cover in a whole new video. I'm going to make a separate video for this because we're going to create a different shipping classes. And in that case, if you have a shipping class, you can just select that shipping class here, and then you can go ahead and give your product the weight in kg. So you can see here that the product weight, you can go ahead and select that. You can select the dimension here as well. And then the linked product over here, this is your upsell and cross sell. We don't have any product here to select as our upsell, but once we enter multiple products, you'll be able to select any of those products here as your upsells and also for your cross sell. And then for simple product, that's basically it. All this, we don't really need this attributes for simple product. I'm going to show you where we're going to use this attribute and advanced when it comes to all these other type of products that we create. And then scroll down here, and then if you want to add a short description for your product, you're going to go ahead and put that here. So I have this short description here, and then over here on the side, you need to add a product category. So this is a simple product. We're going to add a category here if you want, and then we're going to name this simple. Okay, so we have that category. I'm going to add the category this. Now we have that, so make sure you get that selected. You select this as well, that product will show in this category as well. So I want this simple product to show on simple product category. And then here you can add a tag for your product. So let's say you're selling shoes or men's shoes, you can just add that tag there as well. You can just say shoes, and then you can type like men's shoes. So you can add as many tags as you want. And then the next thing you need to do is to set a product image. So click on set a product image, and then you can select the image from your library if you already have the image right here. If not, you can click on upload files and you can drag that image and drop it here. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this by dropping it here. And now I have that image here. And then you can go ahead and select the image that you just uploaded and set product image. Now you can see that we have the product image right here. And then if you want to add multiple product image like a gallery for that product, you can go ahead and add product gallery like this, and you can add multiple images. So I don't have any other image for this product, so I'm going to just add random images so you can see what I mean. Maybe these 3 people right here. I'm going to add them here at the product gallery, so just for example, so you can see what I mean. Then I'm going to go ahead and publish this product. Now if we go back here and refresh the shop page, now you can see that we have one product right here, and you can see that the product is on sale because we added the $9.99 and then we make the sale price for $6.99. Now if we click here and go to the product page like this, you can see what our product page will look like. Okay, this is what our product page looks like right now. You can see this is the short description. Okay, let me go back here to explain this for you. You can see this is the description here. It's like the main description that we have right here. This is where this will show, and then the additional information like the weight that we added over here. So if we have like length here, so let's say this is 2 by 5 4 like this, and if I update this and go back here and refresh this page, now if we go to additional information, you can see that we have the dimension here as well. So this will be the additional information, and then if someone leave a review here about the product, you're going to see that here as well. And then you can zoom in to see the product like this, and you can click on zoom in to also see the product like this. Right, so that is our product. And then this short description here is basically the short description that we entered here. Anything you have here. So if I reduce this to this much, and then if I update this and go back here and refresh this page, now you can see that we have that short description here, and you can see that we have 90 in stock, which is the 90 in stock that we have over here. That you can see inventory, we have 90 in stock. So if we change that to 50, or actually let's just remove that. Let's say don't show the stock. So if we don't want to show the how many we have in stock for the customer, you can uncheck this and then click on save. And if you go back here and press this page, now you can see that we don't have the number of products that we have in stock displaying here on the shop page. And now you can see that we have only one product here because we just added that. This is how you can create a simple product. So let me go back here and go back to all products here. Then I'm going to duplicate this product 3 times. So let's get back here and click on the shop page. Now you can see that we have 3 products. Okay, so this is basically how you can create a simple product. You can add that to the cart here. Click on view cart here, and then this will be all the product that you have on the cart. So in this whole WooCommerce series, I'm going to show you how you can customize your cart page as well, and how you can customize your archive page like this, and how you can customize your single product page just the way you want it. But for now, we're just going to go step by step. Next episode, I'm going to show you how to create a variable product, and then I'm going to show you how to create a grouped product and affiliate product. And then after that, I'm going to show you how to customize your simple product page. Then I'm going to show you how to customize your product archive page, and then I'm going to show you how to customize your cart page like this. And then if you go to checkout page, I'm going to show you how to customize the checkout page as well. So thank you so much for watching this episode. If you like this episode, please click on the like button. And if you want to get notified when I upload the next episode, click on that subscription button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified immediately I upload the second episode. Thank you so much, and I will see you on episode number 2.